Namaste everyone and warm welcome in my YouTube channel MathTech. If you are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel MathTech and also like, comment and share it among your colleagues and friends so that each and everyone will get chance to learn GeoGebra from the beginnings, because it is this part 3 is very useful for those who want to draw polygons like triangle, rectangle, regular polygon, like equilateral triangle, a square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, etc. With the help of this polygon tool, we can easily draw different types of polygons, which is basic course for the teachers as well as those who are interested in learning GeoGebra and who are interested in animation like GeoGebra. So if you are again new to my YouTube channel, you can visit description box where I have included link of my part 1 and part 2 video. You will get link of part 2 video in I button also. You can click on I button and go to visit part 1 and then part 2 video, so that it will be very useful for to use menu bar as well as toolbar. Let's move ahead to this tutorial. Now let's use Polygon tool. Polygon tool. This is Polygon tool. If you click on this drop down menu, regular polygon, rigid polygon and vector polygon. Now first of all we are going to draw polygons with the help of this Polygon tool. So select anywhere. I am going to draw a triangle, so I have to click on 3 points. After clicking 3 points, we have to again click on the first vertex, then this gives a polygon. Yes, and its name is a triangle. Okay. Now if you want to know its perimeter, then from this angle tool, we have to select this distance or length, and if you put your cursor over this distance or length, then it gives hint, and the hint is select 2 points, a segment, polygon or circle. Since we need perimeter, so I am going to select this polygon. Click anywhere inside this polygon. Okay. Next, its perimeter is 19.54. Okay. Now again, if we select area and if you put your cursor over here and it gives hint, the hint is select polygon, circle or conic. So to find area, let's click anywhere inside this polygon. Yes, its area of triangle ABC is 18 square unit and perimeter of ABC is 19.54 units. Okay. Now again, if you need length of each side, then we have to select distance or length. Then click on this. Its length is 6.32. Again click here. Its length is 7.21. Again click this one. Its length is perimeter tool is enabled. Click on this side. Yes, its length is equal to 6. Like this we can find length, distance, perimeter as well as area. Okay. Now again let's select polygon tool, and if you want to draw a quadrilateral, then a quadrilateral has 4 sides, so we have to select any 4 points here. 4 vertices are there. Then again we have to click on the first vertex. Yes. Yeah, this gives a quadrilateral. It has 4 vertices, so it is a quadrilateral. Like this also we can find its area by selecting this area from the menu. Then click on inside this polygon, and if you want to find its perimeter, then click on distance or length, then click anywhere inside this polygon. Inside this polygon it gives perimeter. Like this we can find length of each segment by using distance or length. Okay. Click on this side, click on this side, click on this side, click on this side. Yes, it gives the length of each side. And yeah, like this. If you want to draw a polygon, pentagon like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 vertices. Then again click on the first vertex. We can move the points also. Yeah, each vertex we can move each vertex. This is, it has 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. Like this we can draw pentagon, and click on any polygon, and you can select its color also. Yes, color, what type of color do you want? Length of sides, yeah, dotted line also, but generally we use bold line. Yes, dotted line also. Again click on this polygon, and you can change its color also, like this. Yes, again click on this next polygon by using move tool. Okay, move tool. If you want to perform any another task, then just click enable move tool, then select whatever you want to do. Now I want to select this polygon, this quadrilateral, so click on move tool, then select this one. Now this is highlighted. Let's change its color. Okay, let's make it little bit blue. Okay, and you can select, you can increase its color also. Yeah, shaded part will increase like this. And again, if you click on here, then here one lock is shown here. If you click on this lock, then this will be locked. Now from move tool we cannot move it. Yes, we cannot move it. But and if you want to lock this one, just lock it. Click on the polygon and click on this lock. All these are locked. Yes, only the graphics will be moved. Yeah, from move graphics we can move graphics, but inside this graphics we cannot move this polygon. Okay, but if you just open the lock, now you can move the polygon. Yes, again you can move the polygon if the lock is open, but if you do the lock it, then you cannot move the polygon. Like this also, this lock is very useful. Here also lock is opened, now you can move this. Okay, and points can also be moved. Okay, like this, anywhere. Now it is you can make it like this: square, rectangle, parallelogram, whatever you want, just go on moving. Okay, like this, any shape. You can make any type of shapes from this polygon tool. Okay, now we are going to draw regular polygon tool. Okay, let's move it. Lock is, let's open the lock. Yes, here also lock is done. Let's open the lock. Let's make it little bit smaller. Okay, smaller now. Okay, and move it here. Now we are going to do, let's draw regular polygon. So for this we have to enable this regular polygon button. If you put your cursor over here, the hint is given: select 2 points, then enter number of vertices. That means first of all we have to select 2 points. That means we need 2 points first. So using point tool, here also by regular polygon also we can select anywhere any 2 points. Okay, yeah. Now number of vertices, let's put 3. It gives a triangle, and which is equilateral triangle. Okay, let's keep it over here. Now again select regular polygon tool, select any 2 points. Let's make it smaller. Number of vertices 4. Then it gives a square. Yes, let's change its color also, make it little bit different. Okay, and let's increase its shading. Now let's keep it over here. Now select regular polygon tool. Yeah, select any 2 points. Then let's put number of vertices as 5. Then it gives us regular pentagon like this. Okay, it is regular pentagon. And if you want to change its color also, you can just select it and you can change its color, increase the shading part. like this. Okay, and similarly you can increase the length of that sides also. Okay, now this is regular pentagon. Similarly, let's keep it over here. Let's using regular polygon. Let's select any two sides. Yeah, regular polygon 6. Okay, this is a hexagon. Okay, now you can increase the sides. Now, okay, let's keep it over here. This is regular hexagon. Like this, we can draw a polygon using polygon tool and regular polygon using regular polygon. Okay, and from polygon also we can draw rectangles also like this. Okay, but this cannot be fixed. Yeah, for this we have to this cannot be fixed. Yeah. After moving it, it may be changed into any shape. Okay, like this polygon tool.